Welcome to my townhouse. Finally finished. Come on. But we gut renovated this, and it took us 3 years. 1 year of design, planning, bidding, permitting. We're in a landmark district in Brooklyn, so we had to go through landmarks. It was such a process, and we just finished, just furnished, and just moved in. One of my favorite parts though in this whole house, is this parlor floor, because the floor is just, it's so big. It's one huge floor that is just entertaining, dining, kitchen. You got 12-foot ceilings, which I made sure we kept, and we redid everything. We ripped this house down to the studs. Opened up the floors, opened up the ceilings, opened up the walls, and then this mantle took forever to get here. It is so big. When Amelia stands next to it, it's like the mantle is the same size as her. To remove all this brick and remove all these walls so that we could open up this whole space and get this big, wide open kitchen with these huge windows and 12-foot ceilings meant that we had to install 26 steel beams. We did a lot of the sinks out of stone. This is all wallpaper, same high ceilings, and then we carved this out of stone. And then the kitchen, we designed basically off of Pinterest. And then there's lots of little kitchen details, like this is our pantry. Everything is super labeled. This fridge, you push it and it opens up. And then you grab it and it opens up nicely. This is cool because you can just sort of. So this is our bedroom, huge bed. We cuddle with Zena in here, frame TV on the wall. This whole wall is closets, but it's like shoes and linen stuff and bags. So I designed the second floor with Amelia and our architect around this closet. The initial layout of this floor had, the bedroom was all the way up against this wall. There was like a little sitting area over here or an office over there, and then these little closets. And I said, no. I want one of the biggest closets in New York City. This is 260 square feet. It is 26 feet long by 10 feet wide. From here, that way is Amelia. From here this way is me. This floor also has our first outdoor space. So we can go outside. This is a nice terrace. We haven't done a whole lot with it just yet. But I think we might do like a nice table set up here. So this is just sort of like a cool chill room. Oh, it's like my thinking chair over there. There's a record player, which we've never used. Another TV, pretty sure it works. Super comfortable couch. But when we have guests and they just want to, hang out a little bit, they can hang out in here, get work done. It's a nice thing. And we went for a really dark vibe in here. It's just like a moody room. It's probably one of my favorite rooms just because it's got such defined character to it. And this is the roof. We completely rebuilt the whole roof deck up here. There wasn't one at all. So we've got these amazing, amazing, amazing clear views. And that's it. That's my house.